Quality, the language of excellence in every industry. Watch YouTube channel, Wonders of Wisdom at Wonders Wisdom. Quality abbreviations, full form with simple meaning. Hi friends, welcome to Wonders of Wisdom at Wonders Wisdom. Quality is not just a department, it is the foundation of trust, performance, and excellence in every industry. But to understand quality deeply, you must first understand its language. From QA to SPC, from FMEA to CAPA, every abbreviation carries a powerful meaning behind world-class manufacturing and business success. In this video, we will decode the most important quality abbreviations with simple meanings that every professional should know. Let's master the language of quality together. Core quality terms. QMS, Quality Management System. System to manage and improve quality across organization. QA, Quality Assurance. Prevent defects by controlling process, system. QC, Quality Control. Detect defects by inspection, testing. TQM, Total Quality Management. Company-wide quality culture. COPE, Cost of quality. Cost of achieving plus failing quality. Inspection, testing terms. IQC, Incoming Quality Control. Check raw materials before use. IPQC, In-Process Quality Control. Check quality during production. FQC, Final Quality Control. Final inspection before dispatch. OQC, Outgoing Quality Control. Check finished goods before shipment. FAI, First Article Inspection. Approval of first production sample. Problem solving, corrective action. CAPA, Corrective and Preventive Action. Fix issue and prevent recurrence. RCA, Root Cause Analysis. Find true cause of problem. 8D, 8 disciplines problem solving. Structured method for issue solving. 5Y, 5Y analysis. Ask why repeatedly to find root cause. CAR, Corrective Action Report. Document for corrective actions. Statistical, data quality. SPC, Statistical Process Control. Use data, statistics to control process. CP, Process Capability. Potential ability of process. CPK, Process Capability Index. Actual capability considering centering. PPM, Parts per million. Defect measurement per million units. DPMO, Defects per million opportunities. Six Sigma defect metric. Risk, failure analysis. FMEA, failure mode and effects analysis. Predict possible failures before they happen. DFMEA, design FMEA. Failure analysis of product design. PFMEA, process FMEA. Failure analysis of manufacturing process. RPN, risk priority number. Risk score in FMEA. Documentation, standards. SOP, standard operating procedure. Standard way to do a task. WI, work instruction. Detailed job execution steps. BOM, bill of materials. List of raw materials, components. COA, certificate of analysis. Proof of test results. COC, certificate of conformance. Proof product meets requirements. Lean, continuous improvement. Kaizen, continuous improvement. Small daily improvements. PDCA, plan do check act. Continuous improvement cycle. DMAIC, define measure analyze improve control. Six Sigma improvement method. POCA yoke, mistake proofing. Prevent human error by design. 5S, sort, set in order, shine, standardize, sustain. Workplace organization system. Supplier, customer quality. SCAR, supplier corrective action request. Supplier issue correction request. VOC, voice of customer. Customer expectations, feedback. CTQ, critical to quality most important quality requirements. Audit, compliance. GMP, good manufacturing practice. Minimum manufacturing quality standards. ISO, International Organization for Standardization. Global Standards Body. NCR, Non-Conformance Report. Record of deviation from standard. Thanks for watching Wonders of Wisdom at Wonders Wisdom. Subscribe, like, share and comment. Your one subscription can help build a stronger nation through knowledge, quality education, and industrial awareness. Stay connected. See you in the next video.